like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Today we are unboxing the Smart Clock with built-in Google Assistant, created by Xiaomi. This is not just an alarm clock. It tells you the time, display photos, and play music. You can also use Google Assistant to control your compatible devices. So you can use your voice to set alarm, get answers, check the weather, check security cameras, play music, and much more. Before we continue, let's do another magic trick. Without using any magnets or strings, this can rolls magically on its own. Watch how this empty can is reshaped and refilled.
Hey Google, what time is it today?
La hora es 11:35 de la mañana.
Hey Google, change the language to English.
Ahora mismo no hay nada reproduciéndose.
Okay Google, good morning.
Buenas, Mr. MC Oreo. Ahora mismo son las 11:36 de la mañana. Ahora mismo en NAIC hay 32 grados con cielos muy nubosos. Hoy va a estar parcialmente nublado. Se prevé una temperatura máxima de 32 y una mínima de 26. Debido a la humedad, la sensación térmica es de 39 grados. Aquí tienes un recordatorio para que cargues tu dispositivo Oppo Phone. La batería está al 27%. Que la fuerza te acompañe. Aquí tienes las últimas noticias. De Informativos Telecinco, hoy a las 11:33 de la mañana.
Okay Google, good morning.
Hi, Mr. Megorio. It's 8:54 p.m. Currently in Natick, it's 80 degrees and mostly cloudy. Tonight, the forecast is around 79 and partly cloudy. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 88. Have a great day. Here's the latest news.
You are sunshine. Music so naturally. Can we stay?
Play Spotify.
Playing some music on Spotify.
There's a legacy that we honor, but we bring the light to the dark.
Hey Google, turn on the fan.
Alright, turning the electric fan on.
Hey Google, turn off the fan.
Sure, turn off the electric fan.
Hey Google, turn the light green.
Okay, changing the light to green.
Hey Google, change photo frame.
Here you go.
Okay Google, turn the light white.
Alright, changing the light to white.
Hey Google, can you laugh?
I'm always up for a giggle. Do you want to laugh at one of my jokes or funny facts?
Tell me a joke.
Why does a duck have tail feathers? To cover its butt quack.
Hey Google, can you sing?
Oh, okay. Here goes. I'm singing a song. I'm your assistant and I'm singing la 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 la.
Hey Google, can you wake me up at 8 a.m.?
You got it. Your alarm's set for tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Hey Google, can you cancel the alarm?
No problem. Your alarm for tomorrow at 8 a.m. is canceled.
Hey Google, what's the latest news?
Here's the latest news. TV, U.S. at 8:47 p.m. today.
Biden announces a bipartisan $1.2 trillion infrastructure plan.
Play radio.
Streaming 979 home radio from TuneIn.
Hey Google, how far is the sun?
The Sun and Earth are currently about 152,060,000 kilometers apart. They follow elliptical orbits around the Sun and the distance is constantly changing.
Hey Google, what is the square root of 81?
Square root of 81 is 9.
This product is highly recommended. technology.